Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I have some more presets to give away here. They'll be in the description below. After you download them, go to Titles, go down to SDS Titles, and you'll find it right there. 3D Logo Showcase Pack. And there's all 6. This is just a picture I use for a background to show you that they're transparent. And of course, the Resolve logo is just for the default logo. You can change them. Up in the inspector, select Logo Controls, go to Browse, and you can put whatever you want on there. You have to align it. You have the X and Y, or resize it. That is a 1x1, which is what the default are. If you put a 16x9 in, it'll look like that. Just click the reset size. And I'm pretty sure 9x16 will work as well. I haven't tried it, but it should work. And if it's too small, just resize it and line it up. I'll move that for a moment. In the color, you have chrome or any color you want. Group controls, that moves everything as a group. And you can rotate it or flip it horizontal and vertical. You have a drop shadow. By default, I have it turned all the way down, but it's there if you want it. And the background, if you turn it on, you'll have all your colors. And gradient, and horizontal and vertical. And the last 3, well, the first 3 I should tell you, they're all round, just a different animation. And the last 3 are square. And you do have corner radius. You can also use a picture, a 1x1 picture if you want, and turn the corner radius all the way down. Or set it to match whatever you put in there. Like I said, they'll be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.